Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete TikTok Shop seller account. So let's get right into it. Let me tell you first, it is an informative video, so keep watching so that you don't miss any point. To just delete your TikTok Shop seller account, all you need to do is just to go to my account and head over to account settings and go to close shop account. And from there you need to fill up some criteria that must be met, and those are, let me tell you, all shop products will be deactivated, all orders have been processed or closed, and no orders have been placed in the past 90 days, all payments have been settled, all commission fees have been paid, there are no current violation tickets involving frozen payments. Once all these fields are marked finished, you can click next and proceed to the following step, and that is verification. And after that, there will be a pop-up window that will tell you next, and then the closure of the application will be done. And this is how you can just delete your TikTok Shop Seller Center account. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.